po, and of course, eto po ang microphone. Hi po tayo sa audience na talaga naman po sumusuporta rin, and ang dami po nila ngayong movie, Direct Secret.
Hello everyone! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po sa premiere ng Under Parallel Skies. Sana po, supportahan niyo po kami dito sa Richard Wa, sa Christoph, at lahat ng cast, and of course si Janela Salvador and Will Metawill. Yun, so maraming salamat, at sana po bukas po ang nationwide screening. Labas po tayo at bumili ng ticket. Salamat.
Correct, of course, Sir Christoph.
Thank you very much everyone for being here and to support our film. It's going to be screened all over Philippine cinemas starting tomorrow. And yes, this is definitely going to be a beautiful story of two people falling in love in Florida City. And yeah, we're very excited to show this to you guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, and of course, Sir Richard Juan.
Copy paste, okay na tayo. I mean, honestly, I'm just so grateful with this. I'm very lucky to have, formed the dream team from Direct Secret all the way to line producers, our director, line producer. Hindi ko na lang sinasabi ko, pero grabe, sa buong team ko talaga, parang Avengers talaga ng kalakas. I was talking to someone also lang kanina na parang like, Christoph and I really have put together such a strong team to make such a beautiful story. And I really, really, really cannot wait until tomorrow. Isang tulog lang, guys. Ito na talaga. Actually, no, for everyone in here, we're gonna see it in a bit. So, and of course, again, very, very thankful for Warner Brothers for believing in the project that we have. Holland Tourism Board for believing in the project. And of course, Cathay Pacific also. And again, we're going to be distributed nationwide in over 150 cinemas. This is just crazy, guys. I mean, yeah, I'm just grateful. This is our first film, and yet we're able to be nationwide. That was not only just here in the Philippines, may Thailand pa tayo, may Singapore pa tayo, and we're hopefully cooking for different countries. And yun, I'm not gonna say any longer because I know may mga darating na sa likod yata doon. So, yun lang naman.
Thank you po so much, Sir Richard, and of course, Sir Christoph. And excited na po talaga kami, Direct, kasi si Direct rin po sa mga nandito po ngayon, siya rin po ang director ng Kita Kita, o diba? Na I'm sure na talaga namang magigit din to kagaya ng Kita Kita, diba? Ang Under Parallel Skies. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga talaga naman po nagagalingan natin producers, and of course, Direct Secret, Bernardo! Ayan, picture po muna. Ayan, thank you so much po. Once again, palakpakan natin, Sir Richard Juan, of course, Sir Christoph Kagape, and the one and only Direct Secret,
Thank you for inviting me nga pala. Congratulations kay Richard para sa pelikula niya.
Of course, it's our pleasure, TJ. So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So TJ, ano naman masasabi mo bilang talaga naman bukas showing na itong Under Parallel Sky? Alam ko, excited ka na.
Excited ako, sabi nga sa akin ni Richard, magdala daw ako ng tissue. So, pawan ako ng tissue para mamaya sabihin ko na. So guys, panoorin niyo, pagkalat niyo yung pelikula niya after ng premiere night.
Correct, totoo. Thank you so much for coming, TJ, ha?
Thank you guys.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin the one and only TJ Marquez. O, picture muna. Uy, pa! Saan yung asawa mo? May solo dapat. Parang tinataboy na ako ni Ma'am Subik. Solo!
Sorry yung flash. Ito, tumatakot.
Hindi, mahirapan na kayo. Left, baka maipit na kayo.
Ay, may harang ka naman.
Saan ka natadaan?
Hindi ko alam.
Bye, Lex. Bye, Kate. See you. Sorry.
Together with a very versatile actress, Miss Janela
Hi everyone, mabuhay.
So how do you feel na talaga na napakaraming nagmamahal sa inyo? Kitang-kita ngayong gabi na sumusuporta.
We're very, very thankful sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Sobrang excited kami na mapanood nyo yung pinaghirapan naming film. Sana ma-enjoy nyo. Sana maiyak kayo.
Yes.
Sana ma-in-love kayo.
Yes, of course, Win! How does it feel that there are a lot of Filipinos out here that support you, your movie?
I just want to say thank you and please support our film. I think you will like it.
Ayan. And Janelle, ano naman ang aabangan namin? Ano ang kakaiba dito sa movie Under Parallel Skies?
Naku, marami kaming pasabog ni Wen sa movie na to. Kaya, panoorin nyo na lang para malaman nyo yung mga pasabog namin.
Yes, of course, yung Win na talaga namang ang dami rin mga tumatawag sa kanya ng bonggang-bongga. So Win, can you please invite the audience to please support your movie?
Yeah, sure. I think this film like got everything, romance, drama, comedy, everything. I think you will enjoy this film. So please support our film. Thank you.
Of course, Miss Janela, invite niyo po sila na talaga namang supportahan ang inyong movie na showing na tomorrow.
Yes, mga kababayan, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Ramdam na ramdam namin yung love. Maraming salamat dahil you made time for us tonight. And sana yung suporta na nararamdaman namin ngayon ay maramdaman din namin bukas pag nag-showing kami sa mga cinemas. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung film.
Of course! Ayan, ako maraming salamat. And may we now call on our press friends from GMA, TV5, and ABS-CBN to please proceed dito sa stage for the interview with Janela and Win. Ayan. Of course, yung mga friends din natin from press, media friends, pwede rin natin mag-picture with Win and Janela. Thank you so much, Janela and Win. Ayan, support natin ang kanilang movie. At eto na ang mga friends natin from the press. Ayan. For the interview.